All right, so this water heater is about 17 years old, very standard installation, but one of the things we look for safety on homes is going to be these plastic couplings up here. When you see this melted plastic in these areas here, the foam insulation is melted as well. That means you've got some downdrafting going on. As this water heater is heating up, not all of the gases are going up out of this flue. They're actually leaking back into the house, and those hot gases are melting the plastic here. Now, if you look up at this flue here, you can see that there's a bit of a kink in the run going up to the main flue to the exterior. This here has got a bit of a negative slope, and it's probably causing some of that backdrafting coming down in here. What we typically tell clients, put a CO detector down here. That way you're going to know if it's an ongoing problem, because it's not always something that's consistently putting the CO back in the house. Certain conditions have to be created to be causing a problem.